Welcome to the Little Beading Closet. This is a DIY pearl and crystal necklace beading tutorial. You can wear it every day or for a special occasion. It would also make a beautiful bridal necklace. Part 1 of this video is going to be to show you how to make this bottom curved section for the necklace. To make this beautiful pearl and crystal necklace, we're going to start with the center curve using size 15s, 11s, 3mm pearls, a total of 6 6mm pearls, and 5 6mm bicones. I'm going to use a size 12 beading needle with wildfire and .006. You're going to begin by picking up 5 size 15 seed beads on your needle, and then we'll bring that down near the end of the thread to turn it into a circle. So you'll want to needle back through all 5 of your seed beads, pulling your needle through, pulling it together, and then we're going to be tying a knot right here. So pulling it tight like so. I'm going to needle away from my knot and come into 2 of the seed beads after the knot. And pull my thread through. Coming out of your seed beads, we're going to start a pattern by picking up a 6mm pearl, a size 11, a 3mm, another size 11, and now we'll pick up one of our bicone crystals. I can go ahead and bring that onto my thread. So again, it's an 11, 3mm, 11, and this time we'll pick up one of our pearls. So we're going to repeat that, alternating between the pearls and crystals. I continued my pattern until I used all the 6mm pearls and bicones. Now I'm going to be picking up 5 of the size 15 seed beads. 3, 4, and 5. And you want to come right back into your 6mm pearl here on the end. Go ahead and pull this tight against the pearl, and you should have this at one end and here at the beginning. Now that we're exiting the 6mm pearl, we're going to pick up a new pattern of 2 size 15s, 1 3mm pearl, and 2 more 15s. With this on our needle, we're going to come into the next 6mm bead on our strand. We're going to continue doing this all the way down, picking up 2 size 15s, a 3mm, 2 15s, and come into the next 6mm bead on your strand. So just repeat this all the way down the side. I continued that pattern all the way down the side until I exiting the 6mm pearl. Next, you want to needle through all your 15s. I'm coming back around all the 15s that I added. And now I want to needle through the 6mm pearl here on the end. This next step you'll want to prepare through your 15s and one of the 3mm pearls. Coming out of your 3mm pearl, pick up 3 size 11s, one 3mm bicone, one 3mm pearl, and 3 more size 11s. Then you'll be coming into the next size 3 pearl. So again, 3 size 11s, one 3mm, and 3 more 11s. Come into your next pearl. And repeat this all the way down the edge. I continued down along the side, and now I have the curved center for my necklace. So what I'll do is go ahead and coming out this 3mm bicone, needle through the 2 15s and up through my pearl. So I'm just going to come up through the 15s, continue around my 15s, and come back in and through my 6mm pearl. I'm going to go ahead and put a half hitch knot right here beside the large 6mm pearl. And then I'll come through my 11 and 3mm pearl. And again, I'll put a half hitch knot right there past the 3mm pearl. And then I'll come through my 11, and depending on the color of bicone that you're using, if you want more thread through it and it won't show, you can go ahead and pull the thread through the 11 also. Tighten up your end, and I'll be ready to trim this off. Cutting my thread next to the bicone. That way when the slack comes up a little, it will go right in there and hide. Now that we did this end, I'm just going to put a needle over here and repeat that for this side. Your completed curve is 5 inches. Part 2, you're going to need whichever bead you want for the strand of your necklace. I'll be using the 6mm pearls again. A clasp of your choice. This is an Elegant Elements bow clasp, and 2 wire guards for the end. So I went ahead and strung enough beads on a strand of thread to get to my desired length. Once you've strung the desired length of beads, take your end with the needle and come through this center hole that you made with the size 15 seed beads. There should be 3 of the seed beads on the outside edge and 2 of the seed beads on the inside. Then kind of fold the thread right here between the 2 and the 3, and needled back through all the beads that we added. Now that I've needled back up through the beads on my strand, I'm going to go ahead and pick up a wire guard coming through one side of it. Attach whatever clasp you might be using. And then needle down through the other side of your wire guard. So come back through your clasp. Making sure your thread sits right in the groove channel of the wire guard. So we'll have that on. Pull it down next to your pearls. I like to crimp in my wire guard at the end. Now I'm going to come down into my pearls a little ways. I'll tie a half hitch knot. Pulling on my free end and on this, getting everything tight, and continue that down through my beads until I have a sufficient amount of knots. What's sufficient? Maybe 3 or 4. Shouldn't take very many. Because then we'll be adding a needle to this end of our thread and bringing it down and doing the same thing. I repeated the process for adding a strand on the other side of my necklace. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and have a beautiful day.